If you're frustrated with Roblox crashing, don't worry, I'm here to help. Today I'll show some quick fixes to get you back in the game, so let's dive right in. First, try restarting Roblox. Close the app completely and then relaunch it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause crashes. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data or resetting your router. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Roblox. Go to your App Store, search for Roblox. If there's an update available, simply update your app. If you're on Android device, clearing the cache can help. Go to your device's settings, find Roblox in the app list and tap clear cache and clear data. Just note that this may remove saved settings. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. This can fix corrupted files that may have been causing crashes. And there you have it. Those are some effective ways to stop Roblox from crashing.